Welcome to my YouTube channel. To check for the download link, go click that show more button below this video to see the download links available. This Today I will be showing you how to install VueScan. We have two kinds of setup here. One is for the 32-bit operating system, the other one is for the 34-bit system. I have 64-bit system, so I will pick the 64-bit setup. Click install. After it is done installing, you can open the VueScan folder and click on the keygen. By the way, and before you run this program, you need at least Net Framework 4.5. If you are using Windows 8 or Windows 8.1, you don't need to install this anymore because it comes up with the system. Okay, so let's open the keygen. Click yes. Here we have it. You have the option to generate standard serial and generate the professional edition serial. Now go to Now go to about and press generate. Copy this one, this one, and click continue. See?